So we are a family-owned company. My father and grandfather got us into this mess like 30 years ago. We are a seller, manufacturer, and installer of custom home organization solutions. It also helps us with our insurance. Our insurance loves the fact that we have GPS on the vehicles. They love the fact that we track the speeding, and we get a slight discount for that. For me, it's a reduction in risk. It represented a slight increase in my monthly expense, right? But for example, van got stolen. I got it back in 30 minutes, right? Huge cost savings. My guys are not driving too fast. They're following speed limits. They know we're watching, right? All that sort of stuff. That absolutely reduces the risk for the company, right? I can more effectively track for scheduled maintenance for the vans. So if I do my scheduled maintenance on time, I can avoid really more costly repairs down the road. So yes, I would say, I think on aggregate, yes, it pays for itself, certainly.